3 Bravo 001, 34 Alpha Bravo 001, 9 Alpha Tango 791. QSL 9 Alpha Tango 791. 791, my friend, 791, 9 Alpha Tango 791, Gulf Islands, Canada, QSL.
Okay, 9 Alpha Tango 791 and 34 also 001. 5554, QSL.
I think I have you 7 and 9 here. Good audio, 7 and 9. 7 and 9 here off the west coast of Canada. I'm out here on the Gulf Islands. I'm out here on an island on the Gulf Islands, west coast of Canada. QSL.
Okay, my friend. My name is Sandy. Alpha November Tango India. From Canary Islands, Canary Islands. Northwest Africa, yes, sir.
Yeah, Canary Islands, Northwest Africa. Very nice. 7 and 9. 7 and 9 here. A very nice signal and very good audio from the Canary Islands off of Northwest Africa. You got Joe on this side. Juliet, Oscar, Echo. QSL.
Joe, call it.
QSL, my friend. QSL, 100%.
Okay, what's your city in Canada, please?
I'm on the Gulf Islands. I'm out here on the islands off of British Columbia. The name of my island is Salt Spring Island. Salt Spring Island. Sierra Alpha Lima Tango. Separation Sierra Papa Romeo India November Golf. Salt Spring Island. QSL. QSL. Salt Spring Island. 100%.
Okay, my friend. Nice contact. 73. All the best, my friend. Thank you for the contact, Joe. 9 Alpha Tango 79134 Alpha Bravo 001. Many thanks, Joe. All the best.
Thank you, my friend. Very nice signal. Now into the red. 10 over into the red from the Canary Islands. Have a great day, my friend. Happy DXing, and we'll talk soon. 73s and cheers. 34 Alpha Bravo 001 Canary Islands. 9 Alpha Tango 791 on the Gulf Islands, west coast of Canada. Thank you.
Thank you, Joe. Thank you. Thank you so much. 73. Ciao.
Ciao for now.
Good.
Good one, eh? Stock power, too.
Haciendo un poquito de contacto.
Stock power. Out of the radio. No linear on.